He is the heir apparent. He is the prodigal son. The undisputed power center of the Bangladesh Nationalist Party. And possibly the next Prime Minister. After 17 years in exile, Tariq Rahman returns to a Bangladesh scarred by violence, polarization and deep political uncertainty. But who exactly is this man being projected as Bangladesh's next strongman? And why does the return of the so-called Crown Prince matter so much now? Born in 1967, Tariq Rahman is the eldest son of former President and BNP founder Ziaur Rahman and former Prime Minister Khalida Zia, two towering figures of Bangladeshi politics. Politics was not a choice, it was an inheritance. At just 23, Tariq formally entered the BNP, fast-tracking his rise through the party ranks. He is widely credited within BNP circles for engineering Khalida Zia's 1991 electoral victory and emerged as a central player during the bitter Battle of the Begums, the long-running feud between Khalida Zia and Sheikh Hasina. By the early 2000s, Tariq was already being projected as the natural successor, the man who would carry BNP into the next generation. That ascent, however, was abruptly derailed in 2007 when he was arrested and jailed for 18 months in a corruption case. Upon securing bail, Tariq left Bangladesh, a departure that would turn into a 17-year exile in the UK. During his years in London, Tariq Rahman was convicted in cases relating to murder, criminal conspiracy and corruption, effectively becoming a political outcast under the Awami League regime. But the political script flipped dramatically after Sheikh Hasina was ousted from power and fled to India, clearing the decks for his return home. The BNP's acting chairman has since struck a combative nationalist tone, repeatedly taking an anti-India stand and accusing New Delhi of propping up Sheikh Hasina by offering her refuge. Tariq Rahman's homecoming comes as his mother Khalida Zia battles failing health, but it also signals something far bigger. The return of a man who never relinquished control, never ceded ambition, and now stands ready to reclaim his crown as Bangladesh's most powerful political heir apparent.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.